On July 1st, 2025, astronomers spotted something wild, a space object zooming into our solar system at 137,000 miles per hour. Named 3I/Atlas, it's the third visitor from beyond our stars, following Oumuamua 2017 and 2I/Borisov 2019. Right now, it's cruising through the asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars, picking up speed to hit 152,000 miles per hour by late October. But this isn't just a fast comet, it's acting strange, raising eyebrows and sparking a big question. Is it a natural rock or something else? Like, could it be an alien probe planning a sneaky visit? Let's break it down in simple terms, using solid info from NASA, telescopes, and researchers to uncover what's got scientists buzzing and why they're keeping a close eye. How we know what we know. To get the full picture, I dug into reports from NASA's science sites, telescope data, and studies by astronomers. The Atlas telescope in Chile first caught 3I/Atlas with backup from Palomar's Zwicky Transient Facility, showing it's on a path that screams, "Not from here." Big scopes like the Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile and Gemini South, checked its glow and chemicals, finding weird stuff like lots of carbon dioxide, CO2, a bit of water, and traces of nickel and cyanogen. Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope in JWST snapped pics, estimating it's about 3.5 miles wide, huge compared to Oumuamua's skinny frame. Mars orbiters like ESA's Mars Express are set to snap photos when it flies by on October 3rd. A July 2025 study says it's super old, maybe 7 billion years, born in a distant part of our galaxy. Some bold researchers like Harvard's Avi Loeb even suggest it might be tech, not just a rock. NASA says it's a comet, but the odd clues keep piling up. Let's dive into why this thing's so creepy. Weird glow. Is it shining on purpose? Most comets glow because sunlight bounces off their dusty, gassy cloud called a coma as they heat up near the sun. 3I/Atlas? It's different. It started faint, barely visible at magnitude 18, then jumped to 12, way brighter, in just weeks. Instead of a steady glow, it's flashing like a strobe light, with sudden bursts that scream, "Something's up." Astronomers think these bursts happen when the comet's surface cracks, letting out gas or dust, like what happened to Shoemaker-Levy 9 before it smashed into Jupiter in 1994. But here's the spooky part. What if those bursts aren't random? Some folks, like Loeb, wonder if they're controlled, like a spaceship firing thrusters to move. Early telescope data showed the object itself shining brighter than its coma, as if it's got a reflective surface, or maybe a light source. Hubble's July pics showed a dusty teardrop shape, but Webb's infrared scans hinted at a central glow. Could it be super shiny dust? Sure. Or could it be something artificial, like a solar panel catching light? The bursts keep happening as it nears Mars, making everyone wonder, is this thing choosing when to shine? Strange colors and chemicals. Alien recipe? Most comets in our solar system glow with a greenish hue thanks to a molecule called dicarbon, which becomes fluorescent when sunlight excites it. That glow has long been considered a hallmark of these icy wanderers. But Comet 3I/Atlas has broken nearly every rule scientists thought they understood. When first observed, the comet appeared reddish, almost as if coated in dusty, carbon-rich organic material. Then in early September, during a dramatic eclipse over Namibia, its color shifted into a ghostly blue-green. Naturally, astronomers assumed dicarbon was responsible. Yet when the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, VLT, analyzed its spectrum, the truth proved far stranger. Instead of dicarbon, researchers detected a bizarre mix. Enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, tiny traces of water, some cyanogen, and even nickel, but no iron. That missing iron is puzzling, since iron and nickel typically appear together in cosmic bodies like inseparable twins. Even more curious, the comet contains far more CO2 than H2O, making it resemble a soda can venting fizz with almost no liquid inside. NASA's Swift telescope confirmed this anomaly back in late July, showing water vapor streaming off at a paltry 40 kilograms per second, completely dwarfed by the massive release of carbon dioxide. This raises the big question: if not dicarbon, what is producing that green glow? The answers are speculative and controversial. Some scientists propose that the comet carries exotic compounds forged in another star system, chemicals we've simply never encountered before. Others, like astrophysicist Avi Loeb, suggest more provocative possibilities, that the glow might resemble plasma exhaust, the kind one might expect from a spacecraft engine in science fiction. For now, the mystery remains unsolved, but hope lies ahead. Mars orbiting cameras are expected to capture detailed images of 3I/Atlas on October 3rd, and those observations may finally reveal whether this is just an unusual space rock or something far stranger. Creepy path, is it aiming for us? 3I/Atlas isn't just flying wild, it's following the ecliptic, the flat plane where our planets orbit, like it's on a guided tour. It's already past Jupiter, will zip by Mars on October 3rd, and hit its closest point to the Sun, perihelion, on October 29th or 30, hidden behind the Sun's glare from Earth's view. It came from the direction of Sagittarius, where a famous 1977 radio signal, the WOW signal, was heard. The odds of such a perfect path? About 1 in 500, says Loeb. It's like a stranger picking the main road instead of a back alley. Here's the scary bit. When it's behind the Sun, we can't see it. That's the perfect time for it to change speed, turn, or even release smaller objects, like probes. Loeb says it could use the Sun's gravity to slow down and swing toward Earth by December. Just 1.8 AU away, about twice Earth's distance from the Sun. NASA says it's no threat. But what if it's not just a comet? 3 interstellar visitors in 8 years feels like more than luck. Are we being watched, or is this just a cosmic road trip? What's next? Comet or cosmic guest? As 3I/Atlas nears the Sun, every telescope's on it. Mars orbiters will snap pics on October 3rd, trying to see if the glow's from the coma or the object itself. Hubble and JWST are tracking its bursts and colors. When it pops out from behind the Sun in November, it'll be dimmer but still spilling secrets. Will it keep flashing? Change colors again? Break into pieces that head our way? NASA insists it's a comet, nothing more. Critics like Penn State's Jason Wright call alien talk nonsense. But the weirdness, CO2 overload, missing iron, strobe light burst, perfect path, keeps piling up. The truth? Scientists want you to know, they're glued to this thing, chasing every clue. If it's a comet, it's a fossil from another star, teaching us about alien worlds. If it's tech, it's the biggest discovery ever. Either way, 3I/Atlas is no ordinary visitor. It's got us rethinking what's possible, from chemistry to cosmic intentions. By December, when it fades into the dark, we'll have more answers, or bigger questions. Is it just passing through, or planning an arrival? Keep looking up, the sky's got secrets.